same, my dear students. So with the help of this experiment we have understood that the pressure of liquid in four directions at the same depth is same. And now we are going to explain you the pressure of liquid from upward and downward. As you can see here, upward with a higher pressure and downward with a higher pressure and upward with a low pressure, my dear students. Good morning, dear class 9 students. Once again, welcome back in our online classes, and today we have chosen a very interesting chapter. In this chapter, I will make you a very clear regarding the pressure of liquid and also pressure of air. If you have understood this chapter, if you have understood these two topics, it will be a very easy to understand the chapter. First of all, you please take it out page number 40, and then there you will be getting this chapter, matter, structure and the properties, my dear students. And this is for class 9. Once again I am repeating it. So before proceeding towards our explanation sector, and also we have you can see here beautiful small things we have utilized as for experiment, and in this we will explain you pressure of liquid in all the directions, and then also we are going to explain you pressure of liquid in upward and downward directions, and also with this help of this football and this small ball we are going to explain you pressure of water or liquid when we put the a ball there, it comes upward. So this shows the pressure of liquid, my dear students. So first of all I will request you to write this as a point wise in your physical science copy. So just for 30 seconds I will just request sir to do it zoom, so you can clearly see this notes and you can write there. My dear students, in this you have to understand pressure of liquid and air. Liquid exert pressure in all the direction, liquid exert pressure at the same depth, and also pressure exerted by liquid increase with the increase and the height of its column, my dear students. This part is for pressure of liquid, and this part is for air pressure. This is my dear student, this till number 4, this part is for liquid pressure, and 1, 2, 3, this part is for air pressure. So make a note, liquid pressure, and then write these 4 points, and then mention the main topic air pressure and write these 3 points, my dear students. So now I am going to explain you with this experiment the pressure of liquid in 4 directions, that is north, south, west, east, my dear students. This all I am going to explain you with this bottle. I'll just request Miss to fill it properly, and the camera should be so filled bottle we have chosen for the experiment, and I have already packed it with the sellotape, and now I am going to remove it. Now I am going to remove it, and my dear student, you can see here the pressure of liquid in all four directions. So this with the help of this experiment we have understood that the pressure of liquid in four directions at the same depth is same. And now we are going to explain you the pressure of liquid from upward and downward. As you can see here, upward with a higher pressure and downward with a higher pressure and upward with a low pressure, my dear students. Low pressure, my dear students. So in this experiment we have also understood that upward is little bit not coming properly. Upward is a higher pressure and upward is a lower pressure and downward is a higher pressure. In this we understood the liquid pressure, and now we are going to tell you, have you ever tried one filled bucket of water? You just try with a small ball or a football. When you press this ball, it will go in upward direction. This happens due to the pressure of liquid, my dear students. See, I am just trying to push it. But it is going upward directions, my dear students. This shows the pressure of liquid. So with this help of this three diagram, we have understood the pressure of liquid when in a same depth is same in all directions, and when we have just chosen and taken one bottle and we have seen there the upward directions is low and the downward direction is high, my dear students. And also with this help we have with the help of this ball we have understood whenever we try to pressurize this ball downwards, it's going upward. This happens due to the pressure of water, my dear students. So you have understood with these three experiments the pressure of liquid. Now I am going to explain you air pressures. Similarly as liquid, air also have pressures. And you might have observed also while raining time, you have seen the directions of rain. Sometimes it used to get a change. This is due to air pressures. And air pressures we have to understand. First of all, this is a definition. What is air pressure? Air pressure defined on the pressure exerted by weight of the air on the earth's surface, my dear students. This is the definition of air pressures. Once again I am repeating it. Air pressure defined on the pressure exerted by weight of air on the earth's surface. And we have seen and observed that the air pressure used to be a highest maximum on sea level, my dear students. So air pressure we can see a maximum on sea level. And after that, let me tell you, have you seen a few of the a person who have climbed to Mount Everest, right after reaching on the top, sometime bleeding, nostril bleeding they used to suffer. This is just because pressure on the mountain peak is low, air pressure on the mountain peak is low and the body is high. So it does not balance and the air just come out from the nose, my dear students. So as we go up, whenever we go up mountainside, air pressure comes down and the air pressure is maximum highest at the sea level. So today in this class we have understood the pressure of liquid. I have shown you the example also. I have did the example also with the two bottle and one bucket, and we have utilized one small ball. Whenever we press in the water, it's go in the upward direction due to the pressure of liquid. And also I have made 4 hole in a one bottle in a same level, and we have seen the pressure of water in the same level is same. And after that I have also shown you with the help of that bottle, I have just made it 2 hole, one downward and one upward. So we have seen upward hole with a lower pressure and the downward hole with a higher pressure. So this all shows that liquid have its own pressure, and the air pressure also we understood. I will tell you to prepare a note on liquid pressure and also air pressure. Also please do mention sea level, highest air pressure we used to get, and as we go up, the air pressure used to be very low, and whenever we come down, we will experience the air pressure similarly. Each and everything we have understood in this class. In the next class, I will be coming with a new topic with the same chapter. Thank you so much. That's all.